Imagine a tutor who knows your exact strengths and weaknesses. A tutor who is available 24/7, never gets tired of your questions, and customizes every single lesson just for you. This super tutor is coming, and it's an artificial intelligence. But will this revolutionary technology make human teachers and the university degrees we work so hard for a thing of the past? If you're ready to rethink everything you know about education, then you're in the right place. Welcome to AI versus Human Explained. First, let's look at the utopian vision, a revolution in learning. Proponents believe AI will finally deliver the dream of personalized education for every single person. Instead of a one-size-fits-all classroom, every student gets their own AI tutor that adapts to their personal pace and learning style. The AI would handle the repetitive tasks, like grading homework and explaining basic concepts. This would free up human teachers to focus on what truly matters, inspiring students, mentoring them, and developing their skills in critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. But critics warn of a colder, more isolated future. School isn't just about transferring information. It's where we learn to socialize, to navigate friendships, to respect authority, and to work in a team. Will we create a generation of isolated geniuses who are brilliant on paper but struggle with basic human interaction? And this leads to the biggest question of all about the job market. If anyone can learn any skill from a super intelligent AI tutor, what is the value of a university degree that you spent years and a fortune to get? We might be heading towards a world where your value is measured only by the skills you can prove you have, not the certificates you hold. Your degree could become worthless. AI won't destroy education, but it will force us to completely redefine it. The future probably isn't a choice between a human teacher or an AI tutor, but a partnership between them to create a new generation of learners. So, what do you think? Will AI improve education or cause it to lose its soul? And do you still believe a university degree will be important in 20 years? Share your important opinion in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on how our world is changing, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.